The history of the bar chart stands between three great scholars: Nicole Oresme, Joseph Priestley, and William Playfair. These scholars have been attributed to the pioneers of the bar charts. In recent times, bar charts are used extensively in representing economic data. In this lesson, I'll explain the bar charts and how data can be presented with a bar chart. A bar chart is a graph made up of bars of rectangles that are of equal width and whose lengths are proportional to the quantities they represent. There are some points to note of in the definition of a bar chart. The first is that the bars in the bar chart have equal weights, while the second is that the length depends on the quantities they represent. Not to worry, if you do not understand yet, an example will help. Suppose we have data of a yellow number of cars sold by a car dealer. In the year 2016, 20 cars were sold by the car dealer. In 2017, 10 cars were sold. In 2018, 16 cars were sold. In 2019, 26 cars were sold. In 2020, 20 cars were sold. And in 2021, 30 cars were sold. Using this example, we can plot a bar chart. Take note that the year the cars were sold in will be in the horizontal axis, and the number of cars sold will be on the vertical axis. We can scale the vertical axis using 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. For the year 2016, the number of cars sold was 20. For 2017, the number of cars sold were 10. In 2018, 16 cars were sold. In 2019, 26 cars were sold.
In 2020, 20 cars were sold.
And in 2021, 30 cars were sold. The bar chart is quite simple and has been used extensively in various fields and also in the field of economics. From the bar charts, we can see clearly the changes in the sales of cars across the observed years. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you have enjoyed all the lessons on the tools of economic analysis. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!